India is known for three very special things. The first thing Indians are known for is they're very smart in making money. Do you agree, guys? Extremely smart in making money. Like a teacher once came to a class and asked a 7-year-old boy, Varun, what do you want to be when you grow up, Varun? Varun said, well, I want to be a multi-billionaire, madam. I want 365 cars, one for each day of the year. I want 5 homes, a private jet and 20 bank accounts. The teacher said, Varun, I did not ask you to write an essay. I just asked what you wanted to be. Varun, the teacher then turned to a girl whose name was Pooja. Said, Pooja, please don't answer in this essay form. Tell me in 2 words what do you want to be when you grow up. Pooja said, Varun's wife. Varun